Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, it is 8 days and we're going to check our eggs. It's been 8 days that they've been in the incubator, so we're going to check them and we're going to see if we have any fertile eggs and if we have any that are not fertile. So y'all come on and we're going to check all 12 of these eggs to see if we got any little babies. Let's get started. Today we are candling our eggs. You can start this as early as 4 to 5 days, but today is the 8th day for us. At this point, we should see some veins in a dark area like in our egg. That's the baby chick. And the veins, if you see those, you know that it's growing. On the darker eggs, you'll see an air pocket at the bottom. And that lets you also know that there is some activity in that egg. You might not be able to see the veins, but you should be able to at least see your air pocket and maybe just a few veins through the shell. Okay, y'all, here is one of the eggs. This is one of the dark eggs, the dark brown. Okay, y'all, on this egg, it's very hard to see the vein because the shells are so dark. I think I can see just a few veins and one dark area. But on these dark eggs, if you look down toward the bottom, you can see where you might have an air cell. Down at the bottom, you'll see a little ring where it's a lot lighter than the egg. And that right there will let you know that there is something going on in that egg, and you may have a baby chick in that one. You just cannot see the development yet of the veins. Okay, y'all, now this is a lighter color egg. It's like a Rhode Island red egg. And this is a clearer shell, and you can see a lot better. You can see where you have some veins working up in there, and you can still see your air cell down there at the bottom. But all the way around this little egg, because the shell is lighter, I can already see that I've got some veins going on in there. And some development. You can see the dark area right there. This egg right here, I think, is a good egg. We're going to have a baby in that one. Okay, now here's another Rhode Island red, lighter shell egg, not the dark eggs, the golden ones. These are like a medium brown, and you can already see the veins developing in this egg. And I think that's our little baby chick right there. And it seems to be developing good. I've got some veins right in here. I wish the camera would pick it up a little better. But I believe we're going to have a chick in this one also. Okay, now this egg is a Easter egger. It's got a blue tint, olive color egg shell. But I can already tell that this one has got a lot of veins. And this one's for sure got a little baby in it. A little chick. See those veins right there? You can see veins all through this one right here. It is doing great. Okay, the next little egg, it's an Easter egger and Americana rooster. So it's a bluish green tint egg also. And you can see through this shell real good. You can see the veins and the baby chick even forming right there. I think for sure we have a baby chick in this one also. and this is day 8. So probably around 14 days, I'll do this again and see what kind of changes we have. Okay, here's another one. You can see the veins in this one again also. It's developing good. Within a few days, we should be able to see a little movement. I think in 1 or 2 I did see some moving around in there. There's a lot of veins in this one also. I hope that's a good sign. I think it is. Okay, y'all. That's our little video on showing you how we are trying to candle our eggs to see if we've got any baby chicks developing inside. I think we do. We'll keep you updated on how they're looking. We might do it again around 14 days. We still have a while to go. You've got to go to 21 days to have your baby chicks. But I think we're off to a good start. Like always, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.